orange?
9 out of 10.
9 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
That's
Let me
super
get-
out of 10.
That's like a 5 for me. That's it's like a sherbety taste. Not a fan.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. What do you think, Grace?
That's pretty good. I'm gonna give you, I'm not lying, that's actually pretty good.
Okay. That's all right. That's a good 7. Yeah.
That's pretty good.
This is the Dr. Pepper, I think. Let's try it. That's the best one yet for me. All right. This is pina colada. Try it. Wow. It's all right. That's a good 7 too.
2 out of 2.
2 out of 10.
0 out of 0 out of 0. Yeah, 0 out of 0.
0 out of 0. What does that even mean? Oh, yeah.
It's when I don't like it at all. Not one bit.
So it's 0 out of 10.
0 out of 10.
Okay.
Bye.